Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you an amazing way to find the square root of 7 plus 3 root 5 in case you don't want to use the traditional method. Don't forget to like, comment and share to other people. Let's get started. To apply that method, you have to have a square root of a number a plus 2 root b. You have to have 2 here. Secondly, there is going to be a kind of relationship between b and a. Two numbers you have to multiply together to get b, and those same numbers add to a. So for instance, if they are m, n and m, then a will have to be n plus m, the two numbers. Then b will have to be n times m. So whenever you can find these numbers that you can multiply to get this input, and add them to get this, you can simply say this is equal to the square root of n plus square root of m, or vice versa. You can interchange them. But you can see we have 3 here. How can we do that? We have to manipulate this expression a little bit. This 3 root 5 is also the same thing as square root of 9 times square root of 5, right? Because square root of 9 is 3. So now you can multiply their inputs. This is root 45. So instead of 3 root 5, we can write it as root 45. This becomes square root of 7 plus root 45. But still, we don't have 2. We have to have 2 attached here. So one logic we can apply here is to rationalize it. Yes, dividing by 1 will not change it. So we can multiply the top by 2 and also the bottom by 2. So that this becomes 7 times 2 is 14 plus 2 times root 45 divided by 1 times 2 is 2, all under square root. So now we can apply the method for the numerator. Two numbers you can multiply to get 45 and add to 14. They are 9 and 5. Yes. So this becomes square root of 9 plus, use plus here. If it is minus, use minus. But for minus, you have to make sure that the first number is greater than the second number. Square root of 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 plus 5 is 14. Divide by, you have to take square root of this as well, square root of 2. But we know that square root of 9 is 3. So this is equal to 3 plus root 5 divided by root 2. Next, if you like, you can rationalize the bottom. Multiply the top and the bottom by square root of 2. So 3 times square root of 2 is 3 root 2. Plus root 2 times root 5 is root 10. Divide by root 2 times root 2 is 2. So finally, 3 root 2 plus root 10 divided by 2 is said to be the square root of 7 plus 3 root 5. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.